ebro na ye kaso say mo bibia afishia pa new year na yesimo no nti bibia we bia bo mode na toto ne ma ye ewo ho no nkomo twetwe na me ka say tap said na fe so Royal Hallmark magazine JQ Sounds na JQ Travel and Hotels and I say I see am I de komo twetwe we edi ebro guest ababedu fie ha no ma say e betina say aba we nsem no na before asana no mesrɛ mo ye ba ko hwe videos we aba video we no between Nigel Gaze Prophet on Honorable Kennedy Japan just in Sembia Ecoso social media to quantity no Yabeka Koshaba face so actress Kisa or no so airport interview was Felix so and I'm the two shape will be our papa yet to Ghana social media so we are and chapia and also Adan Chenya just never kai Vanessa funny face ni baby mama no or the several to social media so for be another pa also when the view comment me sure any atom video better wadwin come ye share video we embrace ko ba na face ye de aka no atwas one
Nigel men kasa and at that time na me pese me say election no because I had an interest in Nyamia from me say President Mahama Eba timi ye kom but enough let sleeping dogs lie let Kennedy Japan understand say inte so koko o manum and me ye difo me kasa so tie me o mon kan se na busofo etie a o mon kan se yesu sunfo no ye mfa ye nsan kan me ye difo me si asori dan me rade me ni Nyankopon wapam apam a me ne rade wo no ni nyame enibi so ne mba ene ne kasa tie me o omuntu ne papa no for be o me difo every day me kese no me bompa ye tie no we sure you tie no tie me Kennedy Japan you can't touch God see take all your trofo Kennedy Japan or your trofo no do obi or rise bia no person brenase ontimi bremase o me masori koso because neo can yes na metie debia na jegezi were girls I thank God I'm not a gay onu kro yakokora po no ompna onu po yakokora po no wa what say preko kache Kennedy Japan said this year obi tell me this man came on TV to say I'm a murderer. You are the chairman of security whatever in parliament. No police has ever invited me. This man came on TV radio to say I killed Ebony, I killed a certain lady. Some lady no come minimum Obama sir honest. She does not have direct access to me. Now we London I'm so or call Ashen Chapel. This man came to lie. Listen to me a family man. I'm a leader of a great church of God, one of the fastest thriving church in Ghana. What to me label me as a murderer. Whilst getting to over 1 year now, Ghana police, no security apparatus in this nation has invited me, and you are a member of parliament. You lie. He's a liar. Kennedy Japan is a liar. See me. So Nebuchadnezzar for a penny. Tell me, yeah, different. You know, maybe he doesn't know the history of the church. If he knows the history of the church, he will not touch a prophet of God. If men of God are fake, you have not called any man of God. Kennedy Japan, me task and hell because oh yeah government worker. And I've not come say meneno ebe say who has money. I'm just 37 years. Onja me na me medjuma. Kennedy Japan, mon kan say a fear way or beka one member TV so me TV, me so Facebook la, me di na 10,000. Or di matem Saturday or Sunday. Tell me, obini ne nkasa. So obini ne nkasa. Which in a bathroom now bought from according to his testament. If that is true, you should know that there's an unseen hand fighting you spiritually. Me say yes, it is an unseen hand that is fighting him spiritually. See me Kennedy Japan. So when you sika, me mesre ni bisa me de nyame adwuma. Me TV bills ayo no tuama me. Me radio bills ayo no tuama. Kwame A+ in na me yekom any other stuff. We have some common friends that I respect them at the highest level. But so someone tell me a young man, what dimaten, what chomatro, more winning powers, more win you, more we are you. I don't care about that. Leave me to do my God's work. Some patriots here America. Into one country Kennedy Japan said, me Nigel Gates said, this year of the dimatem me dinatem. Na me wo sunsumu to me channel. Me brenas na me bomba yeti na debia. Film kwala ase na nyame frem you. Me Kwabena Gaze film kwala ase ena nyame frem. Na me kese me bomba ye debia tia no ena na sefo. Onima me yakrapim ni o. Me omada na me ndayo. Me bibi ndi mechi anka mente ha. Ebra me yehia ni ba o. Me ma me ton bode ne banche. Cycle opposite Kwame Nkrumah cycle. Ohia mu ahumobom na Awurade afra me ena ma bransa manya tumi Sem de nyame adwuma. Onja me. Se Kenneth Japan be jeje me this year. See me, you see, MPP government no, no party no. Obi bi odo MPP ni bia no Kenneth Japan ese no. My mother is MPP, my brothers are MPP. Okwa Saman Kesia, Brekumanso, the assemblyman there, Kofodia, ye if you do krum. My brother no, he is the MPP rep there. My biological brother, me dinetino, or ye MPP ni. I'm not a political person. Politician be a man misikaye. Onja nenino dear simis, nonja atrono. Because mon cancer Kennedy so say, there be I'm sorry, I'm a bomb payetiano. Me share all you ego no so etiano because ordinansa come here, me mechanic. Me ye come because it was election year. So you're not gonna say the sound bamiswa. Menen be send kabaku okromo a. O sika.
That means that you have a hand in operation okokoye.
Anya masa me makese no. Tie me, ma bompa yetia no. Because no yam no yenye obi basa. Ne ba no he TV station or radio station. Ebi am ne pe Medi 37. That be your casa say me a small boy na me mate, why employ me mate. Pacho. Obi friend nyankopon. No be e de be engine now. You see, I respected him too much. But in California, if you respect them, they don't respect themselves. And that is how I am. A lot of paramount chief have called me and pay for them. A fear me now from me say me fino. But hear me, or send me jumano, or go me crown because I never son am say Kenneth Japan does not have any evidence on me. I sit on your TV to say. Because he does not have any iota of evidence on me, Nigel Gacy, or my church. We don't play games here. I'm not a gaming guy. I'm a landed man like his son. And maybe I might even be better than his son because his sons are riding on his shoulders. My father was a bus collector. My father is a bus conductor. My mother is a Otombodiani Banchi. So for me to ride from that low level to where I am, I don't see. So for paying be a family to me for. Inti na me pese me jam pa na me botia no. Ana nya me kwa na me bom pa etia. E difo bebre bom pa etia no.
So why den?
O sorry tia nya me adwuma.
Really?
Now Herod sorry tia nya me adwuma no odane gogome. Herod sorry tia nya me adwuma no odane gogome. Me de me ni ho na mu agyan yo. I have no weapons physical, but my weapons are spiritual. And every dawn me come in now if I go on my knees I'm praying. I curse whoever is after my life, and I curse whoever is after my church. Young man, a message so menjo be kunye. Say me pacho atenam ka say, pacho, me chim pray was on a frame. Pacho, me chim, let's even assume without admitting. Me chu empna una frame. Me yoba. Contract here you are ban we majibi. Mon can't check Kenneth Japan say onjai prophet onjai prophet Nigel. But I feel way. Or kabako, meso TV, make a Facebook, make a 10. Na mimi wo sunsuma wodin ya me he obi ani Ghana, obi ani wiase obeka say me ma ba no abaje adro. Bi wa nye dro na me yiso. Me fi me kwala ase na nso togu me so. E na Awurade ka kire me say wa frɛ me. Na da bia me kese Kenneth Japan. Kenneth Japan abusuafo eni omuntu no fo. Because me en wo sra wo me so. Apam edi machi.
No, but oka say uhu no na waye ketwa
me ka say me say me hu obi a wanya cancer waye kotwa me mbo ne din ye me mfa ne din sha bragofi me hu my high me mbo ne din ye but ne me ma wate asese da bia me bomb party ano and say so hu nyansa say for him to be in the bathroom to fall down I say wanya tumor no onso nyansa if that is true I don't wish anybody sickness yare ye mfa nya nipa say me pa choti ase but Ghana for nya be di madanse say me man nidie Kenneth Japan must know that he's not the only man in Ghana. Listen, if he got balls, people have got balls on him. If you think he has the nerve that he's always ranting, listen, some of us are balls, some of us are bolder than him. You should forget about money. Let me get to his age that we can compare. I get what I'm saying. And listen, I'm a spiritual person. Material thing does not mean anything to me. Me, I'm a spiritual person. Material thing does not mean anything to me. But he should leave me to do the work of God I've been assigned to. He should stop coming on radio, TV to lie. Use me for whatever. Or by this year or the days after. Say, your year broadcast not be responding. Meso TV, or count 1, make a 1,000. He has no evidence on me. But what he doesn't know is that we have a common friend that have his dosage with evidence in my hands. But he doesn't know. Yes. We have a common friend. You see, I have not spoken because of Sam. Me bukwami A+ pa. Me bu sofo usu ben papa. Me bu ya papa no bi omo se na menka. But hear me, Me ma on send me juma this year. This year me Brian and Radia ma me to me. On my way me more be and send me juma this year. Me many idea come go sorry no. I have a yes, and you many a year day near Pama Damaswa. I command 1,000, oh yeah, all night 2,000, 1,500, 800, 1,000, all of it a drop. This year, can I pump bam swa? Me tunu so sa wosunsumu. Me tunu ho kwa wosunsumu. On fana some and so. Now whoever lost can I pump to talk at the person, we don't touch a prophet of God. We don't touch a church of God. There are places that we don't go there, spiritual places, we don't go there. We don't go there. Tell him we don't go there. That behind what may have evidence. We could do way, and you was some. Kofi, I wasam. What was saying? Pray, am I communicating?
Yeah.
You should leave me. Would you be a better organ be also with Tiano? Who been you? You have 5 and you destroy 20. You have 5 and you destroy 20. I am somebody's husband. I'm somebody's father. Membawa brochire. And one of you brochire by. I have sons and daughters. I have a mandate. I'm just 37. Onjam namye mejuma. Abrabo bo bona anko ni government mu me nje government contract bia o abrabo bo ye bona tie me mon kan kire no se honhom no empesa onja ni oye no mon kan kire no oni mon ko bisa azimazi onima yes the central the former okay. Yes one journalist asowiti e before bi so na ne akoso won video me akoso onim sa journalist no ba me mboni din wo makatro in secrecy da oye adwuma
okay
tell me catch ne say na me pese me fi no but sesia ordinary some bam so a o ka ba ko a make 1,000 and I have not done anything against the Lord. Nobody can come and arrest me. Min kunipa min di obi mpra min yi obi min di obi e ka me dia no say me si asore da me de tanseka enyame adwuma na me ye obi enu odeka ono kro odeka it catch ne say mon catch no by this medium say ordinary some bam so a I don't know who is advising that man. I don't know who advises that man. I don't know. Also, he doesn't know. Only
no. Okay, so sorry, how? Like because or not say a diff when he be at the Ghana for be
listen. How can you talk with that evidence? Tell me. Say no afar. Obi obey me. Nempreni is cheap. Is what? It's cheap. Na neba no nimpra. I'm not saying I'm one proud, but your yen home. So what say we are honorable? Me who say free Saturday no yen. I don't see him so honor. So say you're honorable. Do things that are honorable. We build. If you are ranting everything, America. When you go to America, El Max and the rest, it was deliberate. They build. I'm just 37. I have about 113 workers. I pay their bills. I pay them every month. I'm just 37. Leave me to do my work. I don't afraid me. Mimbeji sika wo ufie. Me say this be here your womb. So sorry. And that's only of his sorry. Omo can 1 make 1,000. And I'm soon that be a make casino.
I don't know. I police bet me actually.
Says
to declare a spiritual battle on somebody.
Say obete me. Na ni oyam ya kwache no. Obefra me medano ya bete me. Yakwachino. He sat on national TV for 1 month back to back. Disgrace me. 2 months. Me mami ekase ka me mami wi abena grace. Yes. Ekase me mami nya stroke. Ekase.
Okay, I'm getting the way baby.
Yes. Me mami ekase ka me mami wi. Me mami ka chiro. Ye kwiape for your pen once a month. Me kwa hu me my house, my church, radio. I don't go anywhere. There be a say, because I'm handsome. Please, you should excuse me. How can you tag me, a prophet of my stature, a murderer? How can you tag me? A murderer that I killed everybody. What can send me brave? Francophobe, dear than Sekrumbe. I said, let it go. It's part of the process. Let it go. It's part of the process. When you were sick, you called my friends, Bishop Adontino, to pray for you. You called him and Mercy and the rest to pray for you. Some of them called me Prophet Shui. I said, go ahead. So you don't touch the church. Only young signs so who say BB fighting spiritually.
decided the piano.
Men can't hear.
I said, "I hear what true."
What's it say? What's it say? No, so pehin how do you say it? Or patria. You can't touch God. You are too little to touch God. You should leave the church. Abrantia went in Crawford, sorry. Abrantia went in Crawford, sorry. Natural. On jam na me adwuma. Na me mbe Jessica, ne mba no mo ko Dubai no. Aye on family Kobi. Me mba no say me be je bosia on ho. Na yentu nofo. Yen na Ghana for yen say on sa. Alata for yen sa. There be a way fake. What is the requirement and what is it to show that somebody is fake? What him brand new brasa? What him loyal kwa some paya mabo? Can go ahead and paya mabo? Do you know sometimes I starve just to pay bills for Jesus? The work of God to go on. Young man, they be na maye. Who good ni penny master then na maye. Then you just come again. You come into rant. Please, on to no hopeful. This year. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, but this year there, me more unsaid my reputation. Nia embuane dino omundinko. Back of you, my name so where we are.
Was say, Master stop. Even a Kufado is also handsome. We free of Melly, Modiamo, baby, or the coffee. What's say? Go we stop about the police matter. Okay, Ibrahim, maybe some question. Say we declare say the biya bompire tia will be. Na nipa no ahwe ase we adwaye na yakoye no operation. Na
bosu sumumpa. Listen, mint to
because
yes, Kofi mint see me. Ono be friend me medra no de obi kasa e. Obi ba o me nimu wo ba bia. O de metna TV so back to back 1 month. All because my son come say President Mahama be president. Me boni be na maye. Listen, Abrantia me bu ade. I say let it go. Me mama nunti out. Ye ko interview people, journalists and people trigger me to talk. I said for a deliberate purpose. I promise some people I'll not speak to this.
Me interview her. We say oh me nko.
Yeah, I won't go there.
So 31st and I was surprised say I feel shas here.
Yeah, because when on the 30th, no Obokodi Matem already also.
Okay.
What is all that rubbish? What is all that? Look, me Buffy London, me Buffy school about London, and no call internet. Daddy, they say you're a murderer. Me bas 8-year boy, I brochure. He had access to my phone on a call internet, and a friend must say, Daddy, they said you're a murderer. Who did you kill? Did you really kill that lady? You have conceived and built something in the mind of my son. Say, Kofi, what I make? Can I say? Yeah. I've not done anything. Why do you do that? Why do you do that? Obama, you can't say or a murderer. Why do you do that? I'll be the last person to say I'm perfect. I'm not perfect. But the oil on me is genuine. And nobody called me. It's Jesus that called me. I will never sit anywhere, not even on any other radio station or TV station, to say, me, I'm perfect. It's only God that is perfect. But nobody can say, and I say, no, I don't do that. I'm too refined. Listen, I have judges here, I have majors here, I have nurses here, I have bankers here, I have senior men and women in my church. What is, it should come again.
Was say Odro Yabua narrow. Was say Nigel might be fake, but he has a point. You can't attack him and expect him not to respond. Was say Honorable Kennedy Japan will respond tomorrow, God willing. We free Jake Kobe ho. Was say police can never arrest him. Traffic or boy message. You know. Was say prophet, you are speaking wisdom. We free a yim. Gezi matching boot for boot. We free Amos more. Okay. Ask him about electricity bill. Why? Charles Obey.
Agenda no set look, we don't have any problem with anybody. Okay. Let's move on. There are certain a lot of trap. It's not going to work. Listen, I'm a Ghanaian, and I said on the station that I'm not a coward. Somebody
set traps.
Oh, Kofi, don't mind. I don't. Of course, you know. I mean, do we do this to a Ghanaian? That obi a wenyi nche can I just talk obet my woman? Me did 37. Yeah. Obet me a woman. That was one of the reasons. But me hand ban no any TV in this one. Mean to me dear branch and atem. I told myself say obet me and me papa. It mean din atem. But you see, If you keep doing it, you understand? I'm tired. You say in Soja Poteni, whatever, or Nigel Menkasa, and at that time, na me person me say election because I had an interest in Yamia from me say President Mahama Eba Timi Yekum. But enough, let sleeping dogs lie. Let Kennedy Japan understand say into so koko or manum. And I mean me a defo me kasa so tie. Tie me o mon kan se nebuso fo etia. Omon cancer say, yes, soon for no, yam fire and san can. Me a defo, Messia sorry down me radimini yankopon wapam. A pama me near radi one on yami any be. So Nimba and the Cassa Tiamio, Omontuni Papana for be or midi for every day me castle, me bumpire Tiano, we sure you Tiano, Tiame, Kennedy Pon. You can't touch God. See,
who me as a who me just like a cake. And who tried and I put on mount who quiet a yamin island. I'm a who quiet and don't just saw the mere one son. Sure. You make what I say. I told you be an uncle or my primer, a big yin whom Jenya be. So the bear would be pana also a brabo, or the bear and light, or the bear a waking. So be saying air costume to sorry them on pipe and netting. Me on the that was last year. Me knew a bit fear. Me hello. No whom I was say, Miss Cover girl, me birthday June to know, me birthday gift. See, I said, me come out, me see a sofa for no, so. And I me call supermarket. Acquire shopping, and not just any shopping. More 5 kilo and monus manton fun me to basmati me to wine eto kosia crates eto oil it is I mean yeah na be fish shopping supermarket one man na me work it nipa ne edo and na me ko bom na me dey say because obede ni ko na me one no me pay free gates ma me come dem ko no no tell say the birthday is no then or pay gifts at the end of the day we nim kwasi asema me ti we chire 5 months later in kwasi asema me ti we chire na me say me ko to dwe nim bia oza na the guys so bomb payet ya Kennedy Japan me so me bomb payet ya sa nipa Dientia ne sofo e ka kire ne san wine na me ko supermarket ko toy no eye hunhun fi wine na me nipa no so a me de wine ne bread no me free na me serious into no say ni odifo kro no so your odifo pa no your odifo trofo e no sha hem e no won sha han no di shen koma anka de we nipa pe mu a ni pensu mi ke we di mu na di adwane de we wine no asem pe na onya kai aside that so and I dey check bia na say I may charge bia woman we pen tam beje upon dem me pastor ka kire ne or pen tam e ba beje anytime I bet to say Miss Kana Nita me dia adoye no pen tam it's one day no one be friend no ka dem say Emre bi wo ya shopping ma obi wo mfie ho na me see woman bi e ka kire me say ni bed na me ko supermarket ni kwanya me kwa na me koye me girl bi ne koye shopping o se nya sem no ka fa me gina ho no na me ho me ra dem na me ko me no me ra dem na me fa Bible and na me dwa me hu naked na me do me no ko do me lady na me do me lady no se pastor ne dia waka ba nyankopon ma ye to me say wo ni pa na waka ewie no wo kwa sa wo bo ni pa na odi sa ade ne bre wo no hu paye ya be ka wasa se ana nyama na me de bre wo no eni se wo di ni sa keke it do what catch me say wo pe gift no me de bre wo so bo paye ye de e go so it's wo ni pa na wa dwumo ha it is a one man wo pa na say pastor bi di wa dwuye di agora and me pastor no me nka ne hwe ba wo ni pa no me attack you. So who attack me there because who attack me physically, me attack you spiritually. And one Nigeria so no me master na de be that me can po. And to shine sama I suffer for the being inculcated into people's brain. She say me na me baby. Now who catch me say birthday. Na makoye shopping ama say ma me who ma wo fie ma ne just shopping ni keke. Shopping na e di aduane. ebekọ wa no na echire pastor ne ka che we wa bo hu mpa yo na wasa di me akwa akosi nkrofo ntem na wo ka ewie soso na anso wa o wo ti se me cha de bia soso ade wa ju ho na wa ju ho na wo je wo di a na wasa ade cha na wa so man nkrofo mo ko da so mesi asema mi o wa yesi ya mami na ya do me na me do me o enti aso fofo di bi story a and I mean the confusion that they are setting between people. True to be told, when you say person me utter a word, me bisa no she. But Mama Exodus 14:14, yeah, chuma. And as I'm talking to you right now, me bisa no show, but me show me eyeball to eyeball. Yeah, me what must say. Me kasa because me nyame dem me hwan den. Actually no, and not just amonya me. And then beji nyame and then a draw sunyame that may cut your boss so near sassy. And tonight, Johnny, dear, your baby, say, I'm my friend, say, your papa, say, your papa, and what dear, and your myself. But on no one's mean and decide this and your coupon bay Kennedy BB, and answer one young BB. I can try a one young coupon, a honor. But me can give me the example. Because the woman one on your main friend, or you're just a vessel to send me into the same attacking me physically. I was sent me touching. Now, my man think how would you do? Says a word, Jimmy. Now, quite sorry. Now, I'll be a papa, near Sham, come here, can't send Trewa. Who's who are home points? I will buy one hour. Sorry, I would quite sorry them. Who are home points so bump for more than empire. So, me as me know what I don't just get up, now me get acquaintance with people. Before I will get acquaintance with you, no. Me do my first spiritual process. Intimacy, so what I say. I saw for conscious or more share. Don't have a problem with it. Whether I am pa and not a nam pa, don't have a problem with it. So no or so who would depend on home command. Be you can say be mindful so we do go to jail. A good form. Meaning pastor be a meaning pampers need pastor beer. That I had an encounter with or baby anyone made the part. I mean, Bama be no about my me introduce you chair pastor no to me can say Bama way there or you're good that. And then me introduce you much now when you know papa or be encouraging papa. Now who pastor no who ya Bama we encouraging papa we encouraging papa.
So your pastor say the only baby.
At the end of the day, no, and yes, I will be in walk out. Not for one own selfish interest, you know. Not all bought and crow for your day. And to sit in your people so ha. Who off your pastor, dear, at the end of the day, no, and young men are may decide, say, no, come shall free yame, and now on free yame. But the me can't question say, on yame. I'll be decided Kennedy dear back to no and the dear and to no. What can in some of Gia not tell no a way radin sim or no no can in some say Yankupa Sran again found San Cano and pastors follow or move my Yankupa the bed your mocha. Next to the castle wasn't Kennedy ye good sorry.
Yes.
Why are you contradicting yourself? No, or you go sorry sing. What's so free na me? Na afre wa ye into your statement in Pono. It was just lame, it was weak. In Posa would
and on my statement be but mess about
so what's me commanded 1,000, what's me commanded 2,000. Now they 35 they see here, I Kennedy in Sam no. Now say it's me awakening crophobia na. It's me more money bomber who saw Kennedy one pepe. Kennedy one ya crojo one angel. They be a kind of fact so I am a boyfriend. My father knows I am a boyfriend or your bonny and don't just say. And you said me come. Some acas a honor. Say any pen or the bay yes I expose no. Say any pen a young coupon.
sure.
And the bedja Gina. And the papa can say Nigeria. And you do it me to me Kennedy. Wait me at your bedja. But we are man of God. Say yes, who did check. So we did check. You won't be demon. And I'm Mrs. Smith, I run with me near dross. And I won't see me run Mrs. Smith dross. And I'm in a compassion or I saw the honor. And I'm a bush in India, some compassion or honor. And the so free, and I won't free. And at the end of the day, name is Cavago. And ya myself, oh, and ya myself. But a mom, no. forget so ka say na o kese no e na wo twahwe ye e na Kennedy twahwe ye e na onya atumo e ya bibisa mo jai say mo di sa identity bo Nyankopon so mo ka say e ye nyame na ye sa ade no. You don't do that. And me pay bia me boy and until say the pana Kennedy Japan cause Nyankopon be kwa na show no be confess say adia me dey nkrofo ya na Nyankopon na nkasa be ma no adwensachra no be wo se nkrofo a me ensem asofofo nsem a me keka ne na ma me tinka wo me video mu no say be pie fi na no be ba no oni every right.
All right.
So obeka so wo do me.
Me that's watch the wadwen e wo ho bebre abusia mfe video now like now comment now share so edeka wo go YouTube so na subscribe to YouTube channel no eye Adepa TV na me proud say tap send eye dwumako bi almost wo Canada wo US wo eye Europe o be say wo send eye mobile money edeba eye Ghana nkwade a eno ne say obefa phone no kwa Google Play Store and also say App Store and also share video we na be a caption o bon say link bi eda ho no abo eye sa link ne so edeba ko app ni so straight na fe so what download the app no download your website so promo code no about Adepa TV e de asha obo Adepa TV e show bia wo Europe e better €5 wo Canada and US so e better $10 into koso a na use tap send wo Europe pro bia wo so Canada and also say US for my na make how say bronya imu nyina ko 40 fi omo ye cash out ne almost send sika dia baga na ne niam no na ye wa chede shunko bi e de mo mo to munya chede ko fo bebre na na be dia dance say iPhone 13 Plus ne ne keka mo nyina omutumi enya bi afi so packages a wodo ni nyina so etimi eto bi ama eye customers o use eye app no nti komo koso a na use eye tap send app no e for my say wote mo asem so a de bia e bo hu de ro so teach you bo say station way tap send mo asem and then ye keka hu app eye easy way and fast so send sika e de ba eye Ghana hands bo mo dia na koso na use eye tap send app no e for my e wo ho no anointing lady
and was run so
anointing
and get to ya so den
ya koji eye bronya no aba yes new year emu Honorable Kennedy Japan and afi so eye Nigel Gezi prophet almost some help trend on social media so send your Miss Cover Girl akambi no wo so adwe jire pa e wo ho anything was so on your back so adome honorable
ama me da se ame fo ere masio yakodi abayi ne kese Kristo aye adom
sure
yewira afefufuro no ntie be nyame ase ame aye ame kana mekoso aka so fudie wo nipa wo ne hwan so condemn sofo nyame nipa so reading Nyankopon asema obehu sa sofofuo no omo ye sonko Nyankopon ensi anamu omo ni ho a wo mo na ye hwe wo mo so edi ni die ema wo last time kana ene so me saka Moses na onua no mienu Aaron na obaba ko ka ho de bia Moses ba wosi nyame say wosi nyame say e wana no onua ba no edi konkonsa che say na unia be me nya na ye adifo obukwa no musukura ye adifo etu so ya jerie na eye de na de bia ti Moses nko ne nyame ka say kire Nyankopon wasam say we keke nyame anhu ni se oye omunua oma oba no enya kwata because we didn't do for konkonsa nenka onia ba no bu ne go onia nenka we kwa nenka nya so we kufi na ebo wo ne say na da bia ye bia da bia nyame se Moses nyame ma mi nya kwata eti wo Kennedy Japan wo ye man e to da na nsem wo ha ya so dem time say utini fa nyame nipa Bible say nya ba duaba ni nyini say enyina de be hu project o twame no dura e de be hu project na wo honorable Kennedy Japan ho te sa na wo ni girlfriend wo ni man da ana so wo de wo nya so fun 235 ni mati ye wo ni ma bi wo ha ye jai ma nyame eno ti me de ya na eye me ye fi sa de pa se en something en go fo do ha mo nyina nan so so mo tin sam bi se ya wo jai nyame fi e ko you put the say you kunya mini pebi things are. Na at almost into you don't even go to church. It's yen papa. Kroma ye guru pa ye need ye bema. Sa and sambina e chamuno 2021 yes no. O me fa so fu bia metra ho. Na o me gunu hu fi me kan ho asam ya ya. So what is so na prophet was me so be wa bushia. Me back to e share phone so hu so o papa ye medra na okum me pa fo papa hey papa asema mamu phone so na efe papa no obeyi na no say it was here to me for chese menkasa ayem seta ma oyi program ya yem felo so wonfa empanifo bible no musin so tap on cheni awoje wo it want na say na de bia hunhu na ni mo asesa yem papa me nya sure say asofo ani ngu ase na ope bia na to do person wo tete ni ma bete enye ne sa so wo person wo tete ni ma pa dia won't me go kase papa yi prophet is saying comfort ebony hu no abam to na ku no but ya sa wo ye nipa o abushia wo ma na eto da me kase se obi ye wade na wa wo bofu na papa be kase wo anso ye wo ye ma ne bro so nti wo ne obi abe kase wo ye sure it's one no abufu ani yaw ani ode kasa esan se wo gu ne hu fin wo ye nyame nipa nipa hye sofo so ne yehia no sorry
ye nyame nipa ba say yes ye mo mpa ye ema ya
I shall not touch my anointed one. And for once, I can't mean I go for master.
I don't know that they are what you must all bed did such one. I'm a man of God now, betting me up about because I'm a person in the family.
Hey, now the young say you feel my year bomb will be a one empire or bomb. See, I am not in support to say every crown of the Bible is here because because suffer dear, yeah. And some no air caution and was then not dawson the yentina or a time I will bet you won. Not
so Obekoswa domino. Is it the right thing? Say Okoso and domain on our book and get
Obekoswa domino was one Koswa middle a your one assent. Mima from dear. Mim say even pop. Obey you be no yes of crowd beddomino. Mimi dear, but Biana or no yano on to me. Na emra so hu se bia wo so ye bibi ne hu so no so ye nipa na eyampa nyame afre no last time me can wa de pa me say ka so wodi ma sofofo a you dare not talk against the pastor sofo je yes Christo be dia se no na atrofo adifo ba bo so no mo san kom se bone nyakopon asem se yesu an condemn mo da eti wo no hwan se wo no hwan who are you wo won hwan se sofo de nyame afam se be ne yamaduma bia na yem papa yi prophet dey opema ampa but enya wo na obeka okay enya wo na wo fa sofo be gu nanim ase anya shikra wo di ni panu anya shikra no owo gide wo ma eti se wo gu ne hufia owo abusia wo dem senia yem papa kene bi gu hufia wo so wo abusia na wo adofo no sa bete eti sasa ni ngua se de yanso soso jaye wa adibu ha ye jaima nyame ye jaima nyame twabe wan kra na tini wo nyame anim eye nyame no ho bo ede na basa bi na yenye da so ti ase eti sofo de se wo pemba sofo de so wo yese enima bi wo ha ye papa kene bi enye nyankopon a right man no wa baba be yi atai ne wo pemba because ye come ma pe wo kum ha empanyfo politicians for pa de pemba pa ana wo de ya mo last so mo fam pemba enima bi wo kura ya na hu nya be bi apema be ma so awale so wale pemba last time me ka say agye ne wo butaye bi si ne so hu se hu nya eti wan hwe ye wo ye be ma wo yo wo nyiro wo hu sole ya wo be pese wo be pe obabi ni nada be me de nya no kura asem na me ka eti ye papa yesro ye mfa buoni anidie emma asofofo omo ye nyame aduma nyame aduma no enye yize sa emra nkrofo bia dada no so bia na du no mo to mo nkoto bi yesi foma bompaye so ye prophet papa don't you ever dare talk against the pastor and make him bra. There be na so for nya papa wo ye papa. Oh ye papa. And I made the Moses the example no. Onu ankasa ne nua. Wa ni na tem. Na mo odi tro kakra. Ase e ye nua be me de bi on na nyame se. Bible ma kwata che ndi ase ye papa no e do me na asam na wo ka fa no nya nkura. De o pesa ye no betimi ayi.
Ayo mesa ba so bi abusia ogusu na wo hwe ya wo hwe video na like na comment na wo share so e de come comment no ane ba ko ni say enye atem didie e ya do nkyere obekere wadwen ohia na ne we leave comment no e de ato wo kama e de amaye na make house Royal Hallmark magazine second edition no e be hyehyɛ so bomodiam na fa ho agi mame ofosua e bia omam akwan ho fe the first ono ne oba pani asa dwumadie we odi anim enti magazines no so e wa abonten so mawsa ka e copy t-shirt no wa abonten so mawsa enkan bi na fe so Ghana abakosem na woni bomodiam ne hu Ghana abakosem afa so kopiem e wo Royal Hallmark magazine ase a obetimi abo wodwato ndie hu dawdo kama e wo ase wa bra ye nje ko hwe nti bomodiam ne kopiem e wo ase e wo hono e fama ye na make out say GQ Sounds ese open machines ebom ye pa na chese meche sound system quality one dia na GQ Sounds na mekanfo e di amount enkrane ne botem kra de akra ha ya mo wo adabraka eno ane se obefro mo 056 0517979 056 0517979 na woni omo atwetwe enkomo ewo ho afenso Germany contact no e na wo hwe na egu on mo no na afenso wafa eno na wafre wo mo sanse Germany so mo ba ho ebegro enti eye JQ Sounds na mekanfo e di amount
it's not na so for cars am asem ne chira problem bi a me ni unya enti na o de sa we ni come na kokon say eh no no ye there bi till say e be fi wa do ba ka say eh mpa ye say ana wabo ana sa ade na to me no e don't timi pass our fans ni komo nyame ana na kokon na no kunkunkum ne mba onam no kunkunkum ne ba obia ne hyabra o de ba asase we so so me ka say ni pass wo ho no a ina smart as so ye nyame nipa no so what discerning spirit some people are so dumb and first to say enyo bia so na yankwa sorry eno oye ka ne say o wa akoma pa ebi mu ko mo yi o mu bejie e de tukwem ebi yi o mu bejie di show mu dukumu enti enyo bia o kwa sorry enti onu ti ma me gina ho me keka kasansem no mu nam Ghana for pastors in Ghana they be almost all concretely near into people's brain if I tell you the kind of experience that I have with some men of God and I say and conform you from say nyame nipa you be shocked
no be the selfish because of the selfish gaze and remember be aba no or kire say sabema we fake nti da be na bema be na be ba or
that is why I was say uko to dwani ma so bompaye efa baby na uko edu wa not because say you can say or young man of God into no bibi obeke na wa gia to edu baby omo hypnotize omo church members and then Ghana have one day in America because meaning what I'm talking about. They hypnotize you that Jobeka should be an hour there. Now, Jobeka says, now have a discerning spirit. And now, when you just someone did a womb, fear be. Ashe Nyankopon oti each and every blessed mu even abefo ana omukuta witchcraft seed impon wati omumu enti adenti na so for be kan asem bia wo susu woni hu kwan sa wo bo ho mpaye na Nyankopon dan adi ye dem e kire wo Jamaica what am I say enti because na job I don't have a problem with him I don't have any problem with any man of God in this we are see way me dem say anya me hu nkom na wo hye ne control no me new problem say you be for flan you should deal with it but until then onua wo hye me eya wo kwa so na asofofo no omo kan samche edu baby a use your have that authority no obi wo no what if you ombuni kunu because asofo say ombuni kunu and they are just walking there awari egu efiemu didja yes what you be for what am I always use me as an example. I don't just have an acquaintance with you. Before I will have an acquaintance with you, I will assess you. You'll be shocked. Into but chas nyame nipa wo ho no nyankopon wo de tumi na ma bible say the bible wo ho say obi atimi ko shop ekoto bia adenti na nyankopon nyame nipa ka asam kyerwa wo so wo mbom paye emfa no ho na ye ka se da na wada abira wo kunu ka che say da kura wo nda abira ye ka ne sen wo kunu ka che say ye bibia wo nye na osore no ofre nyame nipa daddy they have these bigger names that they use it to address them. But make it obekwa sorry dem akoye konkron and so wo dofia ni beye sell call into Niger want me mbu Canada Japan for and dia to Canada Japan want me fast our fans ni kuma nyame nyakopon na mo kunkun memba
ananti lady and was say just say osofo ebeba to say even say Kofi TV national television what ba Kofi TV obeka say honorable say or say honorable catcher pen say na George opema na sorry church members youth ni say oni odi o machi keka form na nye kan so obebie na no aka say na o the nyame so no onye gay no honorable no the baby am tifi adui akokora mpo no otwa fan chain na okasa reply no the man nkofo bedwe say ne nkofo kan say o church members we o mu say krampo na ye no correct
oh dabi oh say me ka say so obi di kan ye obi bi na o reply na o puofu enti wan hwe ya wodi abufo no be cancel
but we a man of God
and so oh yeah man of God aside that we diba
okay
aside that we diba aya me ka say yesu ba wiase no when it was necessary for Jesus to got angry yesu ibufu
okay
o ye dipa oye nipa ya wotu obi ba wo de sebe wo ni awon ka se nyamiti wa fi we no fa ne nsa de wo so
okay
oye nipa aside you being a man of God no oye nipa ade a time enu ti na Yesu wa mu obo no oba wiase be fa nipa ti biem ebe hu nipa shiri se de yesitia no enu ti na hu obo so no ye nipa aside obeye sofo no nyame e na be friend so o mama ina adwuma so that enti I be pay and ka se wo ye nipa hwe aya na ye ka se sofo wo obom paya se obo for papa wo bo for boni nyamiti
okay
nyankopon asam se ma pie maso ama atere nene fo mpaibo se wote wo nyame ni
enti awanti obeka se honorable yare ya ba ya bofo eka se asofo odi gu omuso nti na omuso ye ne sa no na George ne sa be wo manfa
media menka say na jo so menka
so yes man of God there
for because asofo for na wo hu nsema ba na ba ko be
nti de dia odome no da mi say
e be ye adwuma la metia se wo fi nyame na ensema ye papa ka gu no so no nya no kura ye si dua ba e bi enyina so na nya adwuma se wo nyina so e be ye adwuma e bi no kotena nsuo ho enia ho e kasa mangofo ofihye na wonim za asama ye ho asama ye ho and is a wo to me kan sema ke sese wo ye medra okum nipa o ye dwamanfo ne nsori fufo no wo no da na se nye no kura na yawo o hwia no nti wo yu wo to ka e be ye adwuma
okay
so wo di me nko aba wo se duaba eni nya so de ye adwuma na mo se duaba wo nyina so nko ade a e be ye adwuma ye papa me do no pa o ye panimu me de enka mesre se sa se bi se nko be ye chidi na ye nyina ye ko heba de ye Ghana fo na ye ntina sudie ye se ye mfa ni die ma de ni die sesem you may be older than him but he's a pastor what ye so de wo ten said ye wo ye pastor ye se panimu wo ne be wo obrempon wo ye so fo no ko ade enwo sanso ku bi ku so e wo so de ni die e ma no me nka say ye papa na de genze so de o ye ne ye se e bia wo be dome ene die obi anko ne nakoma obi wo ho be ye mo kura ngo bi na magaye so wo obi a on pentokwa wo dem no ne wakana no atum wo ye no senka wo bo no wo bo obi ankaye because wo bo no wo bo obi a onye bibi enya no be se wo bo no wa mo obi di na temo mfin di obeka di abeba wo so
okay
enti ka ye papa ne kwa se oba national ise esukura be kasa na yete
Aya Nigel Gaze.
Yes. Oh yes, so for. Asam na ya de nanso enka bia wo hye okuko mo ha kasa sofo bebre afa na yede atulofo ombeka se bia wamfa ni die amovo wo yi na nyame ni pensu de fofo bebre so hye wo so ehye entinka enka oba so na komo mu kakra na eye mese ne ma okan na asem okan me ne ya ade wo ma owo yire owo nuanom odabusiam Ghana has so one samba san one cabin go for ya jetty. And the pushing no. Say ye come home some side way, and I was high so for dash. Ye won't go football or modern war, or more so no more power, or more tears of for dear no more yaff. Ye won't go for besides, I would dear so far to no woman was a day or would. It is some for no, ye not this is off way. I saw you then go, so for your swap, so for your swap and man, now so I don't know what did that, and you know, I won't see us on the moon. And the young papa Kennedy, Messi said, 1 year so for no moon, ye do ma.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, woman.
That's all. Abusia kusuna wo hwa o comment no mesro enye atendidie YouTube no ye hu se nkofo ehwe mo share comment e wo ho no but dodo na na ka se eye Nigel Gaze fake ene ne keka ho abusia wo hwe no na make out se o se ndinka kan JQ Sanso wo JQ Travel and Hotels inti se wakwa akwantuo mu bimpo na ope hotel papa bi na wo di utiato so ye papa bi na wada so no wadwen die na mekanfo eye JQ Travel and Hotels untu kwa na ohu papers ne ne keka ho nyina wa se okọ office we no akwa ha no akotua we no akwa ha no akotua we ye ni nyina wo baby fa akwa ye package ye ni nyina ma na den watimi etu kwan akọ baby e wo se wo kọ no wo kọ so anya de akwa ye stranded bia wo ho no baby obeda de enye problem Ghana ha kramfo no wo ba ye hotels bebre na ne wo krom ankofo edi ho adanse se wo pe baby papa pa na wo di utiato de a na ne mekanfo JQ Travel and Hotel and de amount Ghana ha o mo number no 056 0517979 056 0517979 Germany contact me so and they go no betimi afa na one eye mpanifo atwetwen enkomo ewo ho no kama na Miss Kabagel I said on my last comment he said ono na oti ho no Nigel Gaze no so ono bo afie we mu ayesi mu no so onimo obeka no one pempo a ono obeba be reply 1,000 times.
When you can be showbiz pastors, when you showbiz pastors, or your showbiz pastor, yeah, showbiz pastors, any or more or money, cynic one presenters, other media personalities, no more pre-fame. It's where say me addressing as any name, I'll just address him as a showbiz pastor. Or more, almost and then no more cars. No more chira mo yere no mo to no more chira mo yere no ti no more chira mo nya pade no more kansa makase na ke kasika kase omo ni no mo ye showbiz pastors omo pre-fame eba ne saying na nyame nipa a wo say wo ye yi nyame free ho no ma wo say ye yi nyame free ho no ma wo na awo ho enti wo kasa e wo say ye kwate wo bia wo na kasa wo say Miss Kabagel me for say ade mo hye ebu yase na who catch me say ono who Kennedy Japan wonu ya fa say wonu nyame wajira wonu me left and right adena wo ye no what the calamity or the honam ene ye ejuma na wo a wo si nyame nwosra nyame dan wo so wo so obeka de me ba show repeat one me
Obeka one crop obeka 1,000.
Imagine and say me di wachia I'm not condemning him but me di nechia that time na me show a video na me see me trust we ngwase mu dentia aden den na Kennedy beka wo so abeka bi sofo twasabi na me de boye ni me adwamamboni me kronfo me ya kan say just name it na me hu a men sakra me hu bibi kenya me like Holy Spirit some prompt me say we are one but rather who catch me say Kennedy now also na wo bompa yetia no ne go boot for boots or your gata ma no ne gata de like who does that adepa into we no na me di wachi a obe kasa kire me say me hu ana be daddy papa de bende wo ni edin ni bi
ya ko ansori ya
what me bo
ya ta ko shia pa
shankom una no ya shankom why
odi
like I repeat
sure,
I am not against them
sure
but set the example na me Miss Cover Girl you know en Kenya me ma set the example me Miss Cover Girl me who video on social media like me pen tell me show we chira kwan they be me ka say me pastor bako Pastor Newton o kuma say they be me nim ba man no me kan some boni intia ne da cause bibie di adanse ye say omo anyankopon afro mo wieye mure mu no oka ho bi ma American sa me kasantia ne da me mama no mpa no cause odo be fun chire mu obema body spirit akenya o ama wo musa de mi go wo ho ma wo ja jai na wo ja ka se Kennedy ka to anwan oso be ka ho anwan na wi abeka kire me Miss Cover Girl say wo mpa na wabo na Kennedy apa hye we dwaye na ma ji we di na ma be hye we kire akwan wo wo sa me na be hye we kire akwan membe wo ma me yam ma no mi kunu be hye we kire akwan never meko baby e ye nchire papa ma Holy Spirit di kan e wo nyem obeka cho so wo ya dia manya me ho konkon di wani mu kan emfa wo pen nya ade wo so ye nyame ni pa so wo mpesa nyame be di wani mu kan wa nyama bi wo de wo pe e ye nyama ka che so kan wa ahwan wo ba be kan wa ahwan first now command 1,000 but see I drop it and so was nyame afro but just a mere mortal like me and I'm from means me good nyame you can say nyame sorry means me good proper men of God that genuinely nyankopon from no me Kennedy kasa wa kasa enti me sheki asori ne da enti me sheki what are you talking about yes you read the Bible ni bi nyame won konkon kaakaye what I see am akonfo de you can say oh we are one would the suit na ke one kase akonfo titsia sorry diano yen sorry e gunya me ani mase akonfo omo ni nam ni so di niama kase nyame na ofra no onendu level bia na so no force no de hu wura ho no wo mu sorry e ti say niama kase no so kase sacrifice akase na nyame amma papa ya ahoden no wodi yes wake up na wo so nyame honhom tiwu onka se nkwa asori yo wase ma wani dadan ena ho na uria what are you talking about be cancel Nigel Kennedy wonye pepepe one snake that is why you are there that is why we say wo nyame afro it's kabechasa na Kennedy omu di Kennedy echi obe you can say obi a want snake to say me Miss Cover Girl metia me metena na me Kennedy echi na so dia na wo keka no nyame ni pagina ye dia na wo keka no what are you talking about conclusion nyame ma bre nyame ma sofa people are in their homes they are depressed they are going through pain they need the word they need the word what are you talking about who be gonna tell me can say I obi the touch share me why what are you talking about are you mocking you can say omo ba wa sorry na wo chire omo say obi ncha na dia na what are you talking about Nigel see let me tell you ye mu bi no ye mbetna han kasa keke o ye mu bi no ye kan ne ka shoot ye mu bi no se nyankopon ma wo kwan se fa won sake kan ya say we renew or waking you say it is time get up and pray into my weni na ho se wa pa ho ye kan say we refi hu a ana se fam na boy rawa adwumu bebra na your case ma weni en na ho no na Kennedy no ne shabre en so nsem and yes I'm sorry and I say you're sorry I say Kennedy Japan ana what's yes hey and beje fans wo and then so na kana de Japan ne patch ya na jegezi and for fans ne ko manyame mo amutaye chire so beast pastors no mo amutaye che mo beje fans ne ko manyame na Nyankopon na mo kunkum ne mba ewe ya mere mo na mo kunkum ne mo cause oni ma sofofo ma jia nkrofo agin o ma sari o mo so to the devil. This is the time Nyankopon ohia ne mma oni mo mo amuti a bejie ne hunfi kata nkrofo sha breso na de Nyankopon pese o de ne maje no want to me for mo nje because of niema mo je ma beyi sem na ma kom sem na mo je no see me passem be free ho a ye the word and ye oba 1,000 never 1,000 where you cut and a gen me see one in less than 100 bedrooms in less than 1 there be and then I me bomb pie me call from me there me call them me all you go from who are you I am not against you but I'm against on some kind walk kano you are the same minipa and may I the showbiz pastors. And that's how Canadian Japan, I say you're done, say you're Jimmy, and I am name your left and right, and I will do some movie at your tiny cheek. What the sinner and ya, ye chop, Sassy, I was with the sinner and ya, ye be chop.
May I say, oh, honor, anointing, and was so. Oh, Kennedy, sorry, one, Nigel, so sorry, 1,000. Yeah, forward, you know, what the two Suria and Affairs, you are quite not that topic because topics be bring and sure. And see, I'll see or back one or no, back 1,000. Or the Shiana also the best.
Papa, Mukwana, your park. Oh, reading Yamiasama, and I go Yamiasama, the city. Babu near Park, Yaku, Casamongo. Nampoko mama mutumi mbedi wonso wonse bi dikaka say obi anko do obeye din we na wo kako wo bi so ntumi sa no ma onka owo abusia owo ma e ma de bia medra say na medra ye kan ntum wo ho so kum nipa obema ono wa wa ne ma so fa ma fifa wa so no otumi nkana no ntum sa enti ye papa Kennedy won so mara so sans no be jai sans
so for so the bar no so fan share
me e me ka so the bar fan share no oni pa bia anku ni suban
okay
obi anku ni suban
enti
obi wo ha obeye
okay
obi wo ha omfin na obi so wo ha oye nipa aside being a pastor what to me me gu na ni mas wo kan o wo yine wo ma wo fra busuam o wo nia no ma me
Adena or your pastor on Chania Mabiso on Jai, Nanyakupon, Indian Assaman, no one chasso.
And I hear and make somebody I'm not in support singing because I see a America. Because we are so for the showing a shion on a moon, they are here to tree and a moon, and they see. But a total name, simple, woman and minute. Way and a minute error. Moses, and we are banning the example. One coca say Moses ya phone no say na Moses de wo no nko na de bia nyame yi bibi nyame ma ne ye kwata mini e a wo hwe me se sofu ni po wanya papa no na be condemn no
sure
ade ba ko nipa ye nim no se nyame ma wo bi tumi so ye nyame nipa wa mo tumi wo se ba kirawo se wo tumi a me dome nyame na asem na e ka se wo shira me shira enti se wo ko nyame nyame difo bi adumi wa san no me no ebeye aduma
okay
aduma adumi wa ebeye aduma
okay
let's take it like this and the person onye nyame so for kura na wo bebi onye ntumi free wo de onye nyame nipa de mo wo bebi onye ntumi free and no me beye aduma and no me beye aduma because bible na ka wo se duaba ani nyina so de enye aduma de wo nyina so ye aduma eti ya papa wonyini Emerson, say yes, so there's a program TV station. For in a way, I saw for wedding was any I'm not in support of that. Namin Pesa. So suffer free Yamen, so won't free Yamen, no one ever what and no one up and no. It's your social sign, you will be jay. And just in Julia. I am telling you a true Sunday, a woman in Mutuo. But did you want for no muscle, my name, and I am said, Ke da me tu obi sinti je mo so onko nya me fie kote nya me asema Bible na asem do woka e bia wo do hu no senka in a way enka sofu bia nko mo mfi wo awrade no enka wo yi o moto be ka ko yi sinti dia obi e binu mo ho a nyam soma enam nipa obi wo ho na adwem wo ha yo baby Christians and your mature Christian. O cast and back, or who back, whom you son, or who's of a crown in Nasani panning free and oh, and young, the old feed and young one. And no tin a Bible said, Diana say, traveling track, and you will and don't you ever talk against any pastor. Don't. And yes, I want to put feel. Who said, "A rather Miss Low, I saw for way and I saw when I'm person was a big bomb pan so you be rich and so on. Ya, my minimum beautiful, Yammy what team Bible.
Okay.
Yammy team Bible. And then Yammy, you depend on the two, Yammy won't be by phone. And your home, edge means not by phone. Bay, and your home, say, dear.
Okay.
It's what we are by phone, the Yammy, I means not by phone. And nothing that years to Babano. One hour, your Bible say, about the little Jaco. So what's yes, no young we are, and nothing that won't too muty, and really big page out of rat and what you need to. The Bible's 1 hour when you are brown, every king of your home. If you are a witch, not to say your home, one near man, your mere channel, would you also hear Mamma Bosom, would you do Mamma no attack? We are doing sure and won't play when Yammy man and so.
Okay.
It is our home in the infinite.
Okay.
Yamin first sample for the moon yen to man. It may slow. Wah, 2022. Yeah, qua, so don't if ye send your sofa be a commission. Bible says, I want to see a son of a Sonia who can young quite a good man. Be just a near my echo, so yet I can tonight. You'll never know about. Said. Sada ni twa de pa enye sofu ne bebu aten ama wan kasa nya ne bebu aten en sofu bi ntine nkwa asore o kwa asore fo won kwa de enti na da no dura nya ko bebu sami odo ba wiase niema o ka asa ye ro ba ye won ko ya ne se sofu a odi ma me ne papa enti na Kristo sum enye force nya ko po jaye pa ma ye etu aya wo ko de boni a honhom no aya honhom konkro no e na twu se ni awo ye nye na no so ka se o ye awo ye ni pa o se ni awo ye nye honhom no to ni awo ye e ye honhom ni obetumi aya no so be guide o na nka wo be ye ni etene enti mi ni amasraw 2022 so won kwa so de na so fu bia se na wo te ya sisi nyame tira kwan o na emne bi beba gidigidi enye chofo asem emne bi beba ka no be ye nyan emne bi beba sa sese no tumi nye enti ne ya ka se ye enye chofo asem enye kede de jakon asem fasoni ahopopo ye nkwa je hoduma
abusia ya da seso se wonya botira wo share chese video we na chese discussion no eye de yie pa Honorable Kennedy Japan Nigel Gazing sense ya na chese yebusu a ye hu discussion no anointing lady na wa papa ne die mu di egu on mo so de o se me Nyankopon ahira no de nipa da sani ni kwan se wo de wonsa ka eye nipa Nyankopon ahira no anase bibisa ye ono ne de no Miss Carla girl so de ne de aba betumu ewo ho no mo ye do bibia senso se o hwe eye video we o hwe discussion we na me ka say tap send Royal Hallmark Magazine, JQ Sounds, nothing so JQ Travel and Hotel, and the soil same way did not Gazing nothing so a year Honorable Kennedy Japan, Eddie Ebro. Aha, and I brother McQuine near the Wino, Eddie SC. Your best answer up because topics be brina and not a war. Comments not just in kind, you know, be say, well. Discussion na ye creative like this was sua bibi ewo mu ewo ho no bibi a wo hwe from afar bibi a wo pia e ka se Nyankopon insure ewo ho